Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from the Shake and Go Snatch collection. She is in the color Poppy Red, and she is in the style Galina. Everything about her will be in my description box below. I seen a lot of girlies wearing this on TikTok, and I just had to jump on this wig. Obviously, the specs are self-explanatory. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline. She does have a lot of reinforcement. She does have 4 combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and also she does come with that elastic band for a glueless wear. The density of this is insane. Her texture is not silky. She does give off this yaki-like feel, so this is so cute. Who is this? It's even better because I don't have to really cut the bangs. Wanted to do a boom cack. Hold on. This isn't me styling it for real. I'm just seeing if I can do it. This inspo hairstyle is definitely from my girl from TikTok. Y'all can follow her. I will literally put her inspo pic right here. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Tell me how she look in the back. How she look? Cute. Once again, y'all, this all gonna make sense because low-key, I'm not about to pluck her. Like, she's giving. I see it, man. It's like I didn't pluck anything for this to be so seamless. I didn't even put no makeup on it, so just imagine once that makeup is on now. This is plucked really good. This is plucked really good. So I'm pulling out my Ruby Kisses. Y'all, when I tell you guys plucked perfectly, this is definitely a beginner friendly unit if you are thinking about picking up this unit. Everything else is self-explanatory. Right now I am sizing everything up so I can go ahead and melt her down on my head. I'm going in with my eyebrow razor to go ahead and cut that lace off. I don't want nothing too perfect, so I did want to kind of have like jagged cuts within the lace. So far, so good, y'all. Like I told y'all, I did not pluck. I'm going to wipe off the residue of the adhesive, add some more, and we're going to melt her down one more time. What I will say about these type of styles, of course, the wig is not a 360 wig, so you have to improvise as much as you can. As soon as I'm able to kind of perfect it for real, then I'll feel comfortable going outside with a unit like this. I'm going in and I'm just adding a lot of bobby pins, y'all. I've probably put at least 10 or more bobby pins in my head doing this style to kind of have her stay in place. We're gonna keep these styles inside. I'm pretty sure there are girlies that know how to finesse a updo style, so look out for them, but that's the best I can do, y'all. Right now I'm just doing a quick little makeup look on camera. Usually I kind of do all of this stuff off camera, or I already kind of have my face already done, but yeah. So the pros and cons that I did have with this unit, I love, if I'm speaking on pros, I love the reinforcement within the wig. I love that it comes with so many safety precautions. It comes with so many combs. It comes with the adjustable straps, the elastic band. If it was a little bit lower in density, if I was doing this updo again, that would be nice. I love the price point of this unit. I wouldn't consider this a con, but preference wise, I definitely would have preferred her actual color. Instead of the poppy red, I would have preferred her to be a deep burgundy or a darker red. Like, she would have been so cute. Comparing her to the other fall units that I do have that is kind of in the reddish family, I definitely wish this was more of a burgundy look. As far as the shedding and tangling, it was very minimum. It wasn't something to complain about. You can always refresh her with a detangling spray and wig brush. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Everything about this unit will be in my description box below. You can definitely pick her up from the TikTok shop as well. So this is one of the mini wigs that I do have for this fall series. Let me know in the comments down below what wigs you've been eyeing for the fall. Maybe I'll go pick it up and review it for you guys. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.